5 best website builders for Google. Get found, get ranked, get paid. Hey hustlers! Welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle, where we break down the tools you need to grow your business online and turn clicks into cash. Now let's talk about the elephant in every online room. Google. It's simple. If Google doesn't know your website exists, neither will your customers. Google is where your customers search. Google is where your traffic starts. Google is where your business either ranks or gets buried. That's why your website builder shouldn't just help you build a pretty site. It needs to help you dominate Google Search, Google Ads, Google Shopping, Google Analytics, and the entire Google ecosystem. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best website builders for Google, platforms that are optimized for search engines, ad traffic, and long-term growth. And yes, Shopify takes the top spot for a very good reason. Let's dive right in. Number 5. Wix. Beginner-friendly Google optimization. Wix has come a long way in the SEO world. In 2025, Wix is no longer just a basic drag-and-drop builder. It's actively investing in SEO features that make Google indexing much easier for beginners. Built-in SEO is to guide you step by step. Customizable meta titles, descriptions, and URLs. Automatic sitemaps submitted to Google Search Console. Google Business Profile integration. Basic structured data support. Wix also connects directly to Google Analytics and Google Ads, allowing small business owners and side hustlers to start running traffic quickly without a complicated setup. The limitations. Wix still lacks advanced SEO control for bigger sites, but for local businesses, freelancers, or simple e-commerce stores, it's a Google-friendly place to start. Number 4. Squarespace. Clean Google performance for content creators. Squarespace shines when you're focused on building an elegant brand presence and driving traffic through content marketing and blogging. Clean code structure that Google loves. SSL certificates and fast page speed for better rankings. SEO-friendly blogging platform with image optimization. Google Search Console and Analytics integration built in. Native integration with Google Workspace. Squarespace works great for photographers, coaches, bloggers, and professionals who want Google to index high-quality content that looks professional. The downside? Custom technical SEO options are limited, but for brand-focused creators, Squarespace works hand-in-hand with Google beautifully. Number 3. WordPress plus Elementor. Full SEO power for Google pros. Now if you want full control over how Google sees your website, WordPress plus Elementor is one of the strongest combinations you can get. Total control over on-page SEO with plugins like Rank Math or Yoast SEO. Access to schema markup, structured data, and rich snippets. Easy integration with Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Google Ads, and Merchant Center. Excellent for long-form blog content, which Google loves. Endless plugin options to optimize performance, speed, and rankings. If you're serious about ranking for informational keywords, building traffic via SEO, and optimizing your Google presence, WordPress plus Elementor gives you full control. The trade-off? You'll need to manage your own hosting, updates, and security. But for those who love SEO, this is where the Google traffic magic happens. Number 2. Webflow. Google optimized for designers and agencies. For web designers who want full creative control without sacrificing SEO, Webflow bridges that gap beautifully. Clean, semantic code structure that Google crawls easily. Fast page load speed, critical for Google's core web vitals. Customizable metadata, canonical tags, and 301 redirects. Automatically generated sitemaps. Google Search Console and Google Analytics integrations. Easily embed Google Maps and YouTube videos. Webflow is great for creative agencies, SaaS companies, or professional services who want beautiful websites and strong Google search rankings. The downside? Webflow has a learning curve, but once you master it, your Google rankings are in excellent shape. Number 1. Shopify, the ultimate Google-friendly e-commerce powerhouse. And now, the winner for anyone serious about growing visibility, traffic, and sales through Google, Shopify. Here's why Shopify dominates for Google-based growth. SEO-optimized product pages, collections, blogs, and meta fields. Shopify's built-in integration with Google Merchant Center, huge for shopping ads and free listings. Shopify's new Google Channel app that syncs your entire store with Google Shopping, Search, and Performance Max ads. Clean, indexable URLs and fast page load speeds. Structured data for rich snippets, critical for ranking products on Google. Easy connection to Google Analytics 4, Tag Manager, and Search Console. Built-in schema for product reviews, pricing, availability, which boosts visibility directly inside Google search results. Shopify Markets features to optimize for multiple countries and currencies. Great for Google Shopping globally. Plus, Shopify integrates directly with YouTube Shopping, further tying into Google's ecosystem. Whether you're selling physical products, digital products, dropshipping items, print-on-demand merch, or subscriptions, Shopify gives you a complete Google-optimized sales machine that allows you to run organic search, paid search, Google Shopping, retargeting ads, and global SEO, all from one powerful platform. And best of all, you can get started for just $1 per month for your first 3 months. Click the Shopify link in the description box below to launch your store today and fully leverage Google's ecosystem to grow your online business. That link also supports the channel. Thank you, as always. Let's quickly recap. Wix, easiest Google-friendly builder for beginners. Squarespace, best for brand-focused content creators who want SEO baked in. WordPress plus Elementor, full SEO control for Google traffic pros. Webflow, design plus SEO perfection for agencies and pros. Shopify, the best all-in-one platform to crush Google Search, Google Shopping, and e-commerce. Listen, if Google can't find you, you basically don't exist online. Build your site smart. Structure it for Google. And let your business get discovered. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle, and comment below. Are you focused on SEO? Google Ads? Google Shopping? Let's grow your traffic. Until next time, keep hustling smart, ranking high, and building businesses that Google can't ignore.